Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Fiala and I'm here with my two helpers. This is Rose.
Hey everyone.
And this is Dean.
Hello everyone.
We've been trying to figure out ways to be creative while we're home. So we're going to show you a simple way to make homemade clay. All you need is 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, and 4 cups of flour. And if you want to make it a different color, you can use food coloring. Today we're going to make it orange. So the first thing that we're going to do is pour the oil into our bowl. Rose, do you want to help pour that in?
Okay.
All of it in there.
Do that?
The next thing we're going to pour in is water. Dean, can you pour that in there?
Okay.
And now we're going to add some food coloring. See what happens when we squeeze that in there. Do one big squeeze. You can always add more later if you want some.
Red.
And now we're going to mix it up. That's good enough. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in 4 cups of flour. So now we're going to mix it up. And we're going to do it with our hands.
Wow.
So everybody roll up your sleeves. You can start by putting 1 finger in, mixing it around. And your hands are going to get messy, and that's okay because when we're all finished with this, we can always wash our hands off. And I'm telling you that this dough, because it has the oil and the flour in it, it actually feels really nice on your hands.
It feels soft.
It does feel soft.
And it's squishy.
It's squishy. And now we're going to dump it out. And I'll give you some, and I'll give you some, so we have our own piles. And now we're going to knead it, which means that we take our hands, the bottom parts of our hands over here, and we're going to push with that part. Pull it back and then push again with that part. And we just squeeze it with our hands. We went through our kitchen cabinet drawers and we picked out some things that would be fun to play with in our clay. We found a potato masher, we found a fork, we found this cool little roly thing, we found chopsticks and cookie cutters. Another fun thing that we do at our house is we have a bunch of these little animal toys that we use in our clay. So if you have something like this at your house, you can check with your mom or dad and find out if you can use them to play in your clay too. There are so many different ways that you can play with this and so many different things that you can make. I wonder what kind of things you're going to come up with. Have fun!